Going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Volvo XC40, resetting the maintenance reminder. Okay, very first thing I want you to do is put your seatbelt on. We don't need any extra messages popping up in the cluster, okay? So I'm gonna run through this real quick, what to do, and then I'll show you exactly how to do it, all right? Car's off right now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna press and hold the minus button down, foot off the brake, go over to the start stop button, hit it 3 times pretty quickly. The cluster should tell you to hit the brake to start the engine. We're gonna hit the brake, start the engine while holding this button down. Now up here in the cluster towards this top corner, and after about 4 or 5 seconds, an eye will start to flash, a little eye message, okay? As soon as it starts to flash, we're gonna let go of this minus button here, and it should tell us on the cluster resetting maintenance has been complete or something like that. Okay, so we'll do this real quick. Hold this down, come over here. 1, 2, 3. It's telling me to start the car. Press the brake pedal. Start it up. Okay, car started up. Waiting for the I symbol to pop up. I do have my foot on the brake. I'm let go of that button there, and now it says right here, maintenance reminder reset. Okay, it's pretty quick, pretty easy, pretty simple. I hope the video helped you out, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button or leave me a comment. That would be great, and I hope to see you again in another video.